Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of science and today I am here with remaining exercises from chapter number 7, that is house and clothing. So students, in our earlier video we had completed exercises A, B, C and D. Now in today's video we are going to discuss about the question answer of this chapter. So let's get started. Question number E. Answer the following question. So students, here few questions are given. You have to answer the following question. So in this video I am going to discuss about the answer of this question and you have to write the answer of this question by the help of PDF that is given in your WhatsApp group. So question number first, what does house protect us from? So students, a house protect us from heat, cold and rain. Now second question, why do people living on mountains make houses with sloping roofs? So students, people living on mountains make houses with sloping roofs because it helps to slide off snow easily. So this was the answer of question number second. Now question number third. What kind of houses do people make in places where it rains a lot? So students, answer of question number third is people make stilt houses in places where it rains a lot. Now question number 4. How are pakka houses different from kacha houses? So students, here you have to differentiate pakka houses from kacha houses. So in the answer of this question you have to write pakka houses are made from bricks and cements while kacha houses are made from mud and straw. Now question number 5. What is a temporary house? Give one example. So students, in the answer of this question you have to write houses that are moved from one place to another are called temporary house. For example, tent. Tent is the example of temporary house. Now students, let's recall and complete the concept map given below. So students, here you have to complete the concept map that is given below. Students, here houses. So houses protect us from heat, cold, wind and rain. So students, here you have to complete the spelling of heat, H-E-A-T, heat, then C-O-L-D, cold, W-I-N-D, wind and R-A-I-N, rain. Now types of roofs. So there are two types of roofs, F-L-A-T, flat roof and next S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping. Now types of houses. So students, here you have to write the name of types of houses like I-G-L-O-O, igloo, K-U-T-C-H-A, kacha house, C-A-R-A-V-A and karva and T-E-N-T, tent. So students, here you have to write the name of some houses. So here tent is a type of temporary house, kacha house, igloo and karva is also example of temporary houses. Okay. Now students, let's observe the picture and answer the question. Question number A. Name the house shown here. So students, here you have to name the house that is given in this picture. So this is a picture of tent. So here you have to write T-E-N-T, tent. Now is it a temporary or permanent house? So students, tent is a example of temporary houses. So here you have to write T-E-M-P-O-R-A-R-Y, temporary. Okay. So let's come to the question number 2. Color the picture of the houses in Lokesh neighborhood given below. Name any 3 things that could you have been used to build this house? So students, here you have to collect the picture of the house in locus neighborhood given below. So students, you have to color this picture. This is a house in locus neighborhood, and you have to name any 3 things that could have been used to make or build this house. So students, you can color the trees with green, stem of tree with brown color. This is a roof that is sloping. You can color it from any color. Now this is a grass, so you have to color this also with green color. These are shrubs, these are trees. So you have to color this house, and this is a pakka house with sloping roof. So materials that are used to build this house are BRICKS bricks, CEMENT cement, and WOOD wood. Wood are used to be make a door of house, window framing or window. Now let's connect social studies. So students, early man did not wear clothes. Students, here early man did not wear clothes. They used leaves and skin of animals to cover their bodies. They also did not make a house and live inside caves. Why do we need to live in a house? So students, here in your social study book, you learnt about early man. At ancient time, early man did not wear clothes because they don't have knowledge of clothes. So they used to cover their bodies with leaves and skin of some other animals, and they also did not make a house, and they live inside caves. Students, here one question is given that we have to complete. Why do we need to live in a house? So students, why do we need a house to live in? Here your answer will be, we need a house to live in because it keeps us safe from hard weather, wild animal and dust. Okay, so students, we need house to protect us from hard weather like heat, cold, windy days, storms. So students, we need house to protect us from wild animals also, thieves also, and dust also. So you have to write here, we need house to live in because it keeps us safe from hard weather, wild animals and dust. So this was the exercises of this chapter. I hope you understood all the exercises very well by the help of this video. Now students, you have to complete all the exercises of this chapter, and one project work from this chapter that you have to do. Use an old cardboard shoe box or wrapping material and make a model of a house. So students, you have to use any old cardboard or shoe box or any wrapping material to make a model of house. And then students, you have to make a house on stilt. Okay, so you have to do this. This is project work for you, and I'm sure you will do it. So you have to make a house and stilt, and I know, and you know very well what a stilt house. Okay, houses on stilt are made up on places where it rains a lot. So in that area, people make a houses on stilt with sloping roof. So you have to make a house on stilt with sloping roof by the help of old cardboard or shoe box. Okay, so you have to complete this project work. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.